Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create gradient sky transitions. Take your landscape photo and add a new gradient layer above. Choose blue to orange gradient in editor, set blend mode to soft light and also adjust opacity to around 50%. Mask out non-sky areas. This blends sunrise or sunset hues. Use multiple gradients for better colors flow. Add subtle pinks or purple near horizon. Now your sky has cinematic color harmony. Add light rays with radial gradients. Enhance warmth using photo filter adjustments and also gradient blending improves neutral